What are you making?
Oh, so this is great because we're using these like sheet pans, and the first one is these nachos, just in a sheet pan.
Who doesn't love Patty Heaton? Come on.
Well, and everybody has nachos in their house. Everybody has some kind of sauce in their house, and some kind of leftover meat. We've got carnitas today, but you can do beef. You can do
It's
turkey.
a great use up, and if you tell your kids there's nachos for dinner,
right.
Who's not going to show?
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, you get around here. I'm not cooking.
All right. So this is so simple. You have your nachos laid out.
You want me to shred up the rest of the meat?
Shred up some of that, and we're going to put that in here. And because it's the carnitas, we're going to put in the salsa verde with it. If you have already like a brisket of beef or something that's already got some flavor,
leftover brisket or pulled pork,
yes,
right?
Exactly. So we got that.
Or even pulled chicken, rotisserie chicken you could do, right?
Yeah, anything you want. You can do turkey, whatever your diet is.
Leftover turkey, shredded rotisserie chicken, slow cooked pork or beef.
Yep. And we're just going to moisten that up and give it some flavor here.
A little store-bought salsa verde.
Yeah, see, store-bought. You don't have to do everything by hand. Spread
and you know, I can't believe it, but the middle is in its final season. Is that true?
Ninth and final. We have 5 episodes left. Yeah.
And now some black beans?
Yeah, so if you have a can of black beans in your pantry there,
you know, beans are such a great dollar stretcher and a great source of protein, right?
Oh my gosh, so good for protein.
Oh, I need to go to the oven. I'm burning her food.
You layer this twice, so you do this again, okay? And then you put them in the oven.
I didn't burn it. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
Oh my God. They shouldn't allow us on together. All right, so there we go.
Good.
All right. Put some vegetables on it.